In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy the Lovable AI project from GitHub onto your own domain. You'll have a live website on your very own web address in no time. Let's dive right in. Our first task is to clone or download the Lovable AI project from GitHub. You'll want to visit the GitHub repository for Lovable AI and decide if you want to clone it using Git or simply download it as a zip file. Cloning is usually the preferred method if you're familiar with Git because it allows you to easily pull any updates later. However, downloading the zip file is a straightforward process if you just need a one-time setup. Once you have the files on your local machine, we'll move to set up the next crucial component, your hosting environment. Before we can upload the files, ensure you have hosting plans that support the technology stack used by Lovable AI, which typically includes PHP and a database like MySQL. Make sure that your hosting provider supports these, but if you're uncertain, a quick check with your provider's support or FAQs should clarify things. You'll also need domain access. This means having a domain name registered and under your control. You can purchase a domain from many services like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once your hosting environment is ready and your domain is under your control, we're ready to upload the project files. Connect to your hosting server via FTP or use a file manager provided by your web host. The idea here is simple. We want to transfer the files from your local system to the remote server. If you're using FTP, FileZilla is a reliable option that's free and user-friendly. Connect using your FTP credentials, navigate to the root folder, often called public HTML or www, and upload all the files from the Lovable AI project. If there are any configuration files, often named something like config.php, you might need to edit them with your specific database credentials or other environment-specific settings. Next up, we need to configure the DNS settings for your domain. Log into the domain registrar's control panel and navigate to the DNS settings for your domain. You'll need to set up a record, often an A record, that points your domain to the IP address of your hosting server. This step effectively tells the world where to find your website when they type your domain name into a web browser. Finally, we'll test the website live on your domain to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Open a web browser and enter your domain name. If everything is set up accurately, the Lovable AI project should appear in all its glory. Take your time to navigate through the site, checking all the features to ensure they work smoothly. If something isn't quite right, don't panic. Double check your file uploads and configuration settings and ensure your